Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So Windows update error 0x8024A002. So how to fix? Firstly guys, click to start button and type cmd and right click to run as administrator and click yes. Then guys, I have a command to repair your Windows update issues. So this is basic and firstly type sf firstly guys sfc space slash scan now and then enter. So guys, you type one by one this or four command. Okay, and I give you this link description, so you directly copy and paste. You do all command, copy and paste. Okay, and then again click to start button and type service. This command, okay, already stop. If the start this command, so please stop and then okay. Then guys, go to my computer, C drive, Windows system 32, cart root 2, then select all and delete. If one file is not deleted, it's okay, just try to shift delete. Okay, then again come to C drive, again go to Windows, second method, then go to software, software distributions, double click, select all, shift delete, continue. Then close. Then click to again service, background intelligent transfer service, to double click, then automatic, then start. Then apply, okay, then restart our systems and then check to update. Then you click to update, will do as okay, check update. So now available, showing to all. Okay, so guys, firstly this command is finished and one by one 3 and services to all do in videos available. Okay, thank you for watching, and have any issues so please comment me, I will support you.